Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're out by Spanish Town and we are looking at the largest tech park in Jamaica, which is the MGS Technology Park. This park sits on 65 acres and has over 440,000 square feet, and they're developing another 300,000 square feet, so that's going to be 740,000 square feet. And it's strategically located in Spanish Town. And as you know, Spanish Town has, between Kingston, Portmore, and Spanish Town, that's where you find the largest populations in Jamaica. And this park also has easy access to the highway, both highways, because Spanish Town is the only town in Jamaica outside of Kingston that has access to both highways. And it also has access to the railway lines. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. And this park costs 8 billion Jamaican dollars to build, and it's fully leased out. That's why they are moving ahead with phase 2. The construction of the MJS Industrial and Technology Park in Spanish Town, St. Catherine, marks a major step in Jamaica's drive toward economic modernization and regional renewal. Built on the grounds of the former Agui Arbor textile mill, once a symbol of industrial Jamaica in the 20th century, the project has transformed a long-abandoned site into a thriving hub for technology, manufacturing, and logistics. Led by the entrepreneur Michael Subrati and supported by the Musson Group, the MGS Technology Park represents a US $50 million or Jamaican $8 billion investment that combines restoration, innovation, and job creation. The development spans roughly 65 acres with over 440,000 square feet of space already completed and occupied. An additional 300,000 square feet is being developed in the park's second phase, bringing total floor space to more than 700,000 square feet when finished. The park is home to several major tenants, including Transparent BPO, Sagility, and Honeybun Limited, which has expanded its food manufacturing operation there. These companies bring to domestic and international business activity to Spanish Town, offering stable employment and specialized training to residents. The project is expected to generate 5,000 jobs when fully operational, providing a major boost to local livelihoods and helping to reduce unemployment in the St. Catherine region. Strategically located near Jamaica's main highways and with access to the rail line leading to Port Escoville, the MGS Tech Park offers strong logistical advantages for export-oriented industries. This connectivity allows for easier movement of goods and services, positioning Spanish Town as a competitive site for manufacturing, warehousing, and business process outsourcing. The success of MGS Industrial and Technology Park also reflects Jamaica's broader vision of decentralizing business activity away from Kingston and creating multiple growth centers across the island. Prime Minister Andrew Holness has praised the development as a model for public-private cooperation and a key part of the country's long-term industrial strategy. In conclusion, the MGS Technology Park is more than a business facility. It is a symbol of Jamaica's resilience and ability to reinvent its industrial base. By blending modern infrastructure with job creation, technological advancement, and sustainable design, the park gives Spanish Town a renewed sense of purpose and positions it as a key node in Jamaica's growing innovation economy. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. And let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.